So let us have our problems in diesel power plant and hydroelectric power plant to solve in this our calculator. Diba? So let me have a sample problem. Sahin ko muna. So what is the mechanical efficiency of a 0.5 megawatt diesel engine if the friction power is 70 kilowatts? So naghanap ng mechanical efficiency. So mechanical efficiency basically is the brake power divided by the indicated power natin. And so magkaiba sila in a way na na-explain sa concept natin. Yung indicated yan yung power in the cylinder and the brake is the power on the shafting. So ang dahilan bakit may mechanical efficiency or bakit magkaiba yung brake at yung indicated kasi merong friction occurring between the piston movement and the shafting. So yung indicated power natin, as we have discussed sa concept, is basically the combination ng brake plus friction power. So ito yung pinaliwanag natin kanina, ba't di sila pareho. So dun sa problem, meron tayo ditong given na brake power. So sara na yung brake power dito. So dun sa 0.5 megawatt diesel engine, dahil binanggit diesel engine, yung 0.5 megawatt na to, that is the brake power. So sir, paano natin nalaman na brake power yung 0.5 megawatt? So the reason for that is the diesel engine always produces a work, or power that is driven through the shafting. So meaning, dahil yung diesel engine nakaproduce ng power by shafting, then that produced power is the brake power. So given din tayo ng frictional power that is equivalent sa 70. So kung meron tayong brake power tsaka frictional power, we can obtain yung indicated power natin. And yun yung required dun sa mechanical efficiency natin. That is the brake power divided by the indicated power. So let us have yung ating values. Substitute lang natin. So brake power is 0.5 megawatt divided by 0.5 megawatt plus 70 kilowatts. So yung ganito, hindi pa natin siya pwedeng ilagay agad sa formula, sa calculator, since yung units natin magkaiba pa. So megawatts, convert muna natin ng kilowatts. To that, multiply yung megawatt ng 1,000. So ito yung mangyayari. And with that, pwede na natin i-cancel out yung mga units ng megawatt, for example, and plus yung kilowatts natin. So kilowatts sa taas, kakancel natin sa kilowatts sa baba. So therefore, we have now obtained the mechanical efficiency. So lagay lang natin sa calculator yung mga values natin and let us solve yung mechanical efficiency. So that's 0.5 times 1,000 divided by yung same numbers. And so i-add lang natin si friction power. So press equals, para makuha yung decimal point, simply press FD. So makuha natin yung 0.8772. Or basically that is 87.72%. And so yun yung ating way ng pagkuha ng mechanical efficiency given tayo ng brake power at ng corresponding friction power natin.